Hello, this is Julia from Softlandia, and today I want to show you how YOKOTAI, our private generative AI solution, can assist you in creating your documentation. Introducing our new document generation workflow, with which you can create a complete downloadable document while remaining in full control of the final output. You can define the document structure, style, language, as well as the data sources used as a reference material. For the purpose of this demonstration, we're going to create a report looking at the creative economy in Finland. So for this exercise, we have uploaded a number of sources related to the creative economy market reports, along with some web links. How do we get started? We go here to the document generation tab, and then we create a new generator. We're going to start by defining the global parameters for this document, such for example description, document style, language. For the description, I'm going to put here that this is an overview of the state of the creative industry in Finland and how it compares to the global trends. As for the style, it can be really anything, free-form description. I choose it to be a market report targeting people working in the music industry. And then we need to choose here the tags containing the documents that we want to use here as a source for this document. So I'm gonna go ahead and select all of them. Let's leave the output language as English for now. Here on the left, you can add the document sections by pressing at this plus number. You can add as many as you want. I think I'm gonna need 3 sections in here. And then you have to define the name and the description of each of the sections. So we are going to put here a general introduction on creative economy in Finland. I've done some preparation work, so this wouldn't take too much time. So the description is a general overview of market trends in Finnish creative industry, describing in detail the current state and the projections into the future. Then the next section would be discussing the main challenges for creative professionals in Finland. Once again, we're adding a free-form description in here. What are the main challenges for people working in creative businesses in Finland? What are the potential advantages of working in creative space in Finland in comparison to the rest of the world? And what makes it more difficult for Finnish professionals? And now for the concluding section, we would like to see what are the key takeaways from this report, and right here, based on the previous sections, what can I learn from the market trends in Finnish creative space? What things to keep in mind if I want to succeed in creating in creative industry space in Finland? And that's about it. So you can notice that each of the sections also have their own specific tag space. So if you would like some sections to use only a limited amount of the source information and not everything identified at the top here, then you can add it here. Like for example, when talking about creative economy in Finland, we're only talking about Finnish market, so perhaps we want to limit it just to Finland, just by adding a tag here. Now that we have successfully defined the sections and the document structure here, we can already see the titles of the sections listed here. All you me to do is just press the save button. Might take a few moments. The generation process might take a few moments, but please be patient. Because as a result of this action, we're hoping to get full document. Important to notice is that, as with any other AI applications, the output of this generator will be as good as your descriptions, as well as the source documents that you're providing here. After YOKOTAI completes the generation process, we get a ready text here, which, as you can see, is quite long. And then what you can do next, you can either continue refining the sections if you would like to clarify some points, or perhaps change the language of the output, or try and add different document sources here. Or you can copy this text, or even just download it as a Word document to continue editing it manually. Also, there is an option to share this document with others, which means that your document generator template becomes available for all the other users in your organization, so they can also access it and use it for their purposes. Now, if you go back to the document generation tab, you can see here listed my document generators. Also here we can see all the shared document generators. So if somebody else from your organization creates a document generator and shares it with you, then you can also access it just as well and use it for your future work. If you have any questions or you are interested to test it out, please contact us. Go check our website at YOKOT.AI.